Hello friends, welcome to Powertech Insight. So today I'm going to show you this is a smart energy meter. It is very useful and I'm using it as on my test bench which has many functions. I can show you this one. So this is a box I received. So I bought it from AliExpress. So let's see what's inside this box. So in the box, here is this electrical energy meter, ATORCH. The brand is Chinese brand, as you can see. So what else inside the box? We have one user manual, so which is in two languages. One is of course Chinese and other English. So what else inside the box? So it comes with this socket. It's a UK plug. So it has actually two plugs, the power supply. So one we can connect here, other one we can connect directly line in and line out. So let's see, let's review it. Let me power it up. So this is logo. So basically right now it is called Smart Power Off B. So basically it has many functions. As we can see on the display, we have a voltage, we have a voltage, current, power, energy, frequency, power factor. So these are all the function we can measure. So right now the electricity I'm using at my test bench is at 235, 236. So frequency is 50. So let's see what we can do with this one. So these are the navigation buttons. So if I do this one, the different modes. So let's test all these modes. First of all, we're going to test with this mask. This is called security protection. So basically here we can adjust the voltage. So here right now, if you can see, this is a 265 hour voltage protection. So if we are going to power anything through this board, so we can test, so we can select our voltage, our current, our power, so we can protect our circuit. So let's see how we can use it. So basically the maximum is capacity is a 700 watt, is 25 ampere. So if we can go, how we can change this one. Let's be, so right now we have 235 voltage. If I adjust this voltage, I just need to press this M button. So I can adjust like 260, right now 265. Let me adjust. So if you see here, this is the down, this is the up button. You see? Yeah, because I selected this mod, that's why. So because my current voltages are 235.5, so when I adjust this one, so it will protect your equipment from any our voltage protection. So let me change this one. Okay, now the excuse me, the second option, we have our current protection in this mod. So our current protection, so whatever the current value, we set it here. If our equipment or anything we are using from through this board, if it goes beyond this one, so it will trip. So let's suppose I have small load here. So yeah, this is a small lamp I made. Okay, and then Here we go. You see here, so it is showing right now the current is showing is a 0.39. Let's see if I can change this current value, and let's see how it is working or not. So to demonstrate this one, I need to have little bit bigger load, which I have iron, so I can use this iron as a load, as a dummy load. So first of all, let's see how much current this iron could draw. Excuse me. So if I turn it on, to turn it on, you need to press plus button or minus button. You see, it is on and it's off. Even you can press toggle this button also. So I turn it on and see how much is this one. Here we go. See, right now this iron is drawing 4.7 ampere. Okay, so and my set value is 15 ampere. If I change the set value to, let's suppose, okay, it was 4.7. So if I can change this one to, okay, 4, let's see how it reacts. Okay, so as soon as I turn it on, you will see it is above the value set on this iron, because iron load is more than the one set point. So it protect your circuit and it cut it off from the power supply. I turn off again. Okay, so as you can see, this is how we can test. So let's see the next mode. Excuse me. To go to next mode, you need to keep pressing at least 2-3 seconds for this plus and minus to navigate this one. So this is called smart power off. So basically, what is this function mean? If you have your iron or anything, any kind of equipment at home, and you left it, it will first it will check the minimum power of that one. Okay, which we call it as standby power. So if it is goes and we have a remote control, if we set that remote control button on and off, it will detect, and after that it will start detecting the current or the circuit. So let's suppose if you turn it off your TV, okay, and after turning off your TV, it is goes to the standby mode, and there was a power leakage. So it will monitor that one. It will cut it off from the circuit. I can show you this one. So let's suppose if I turn it on, okay. So let me turn it on. This one also, okay. Sorry, I have to change the set value again. Go back the menu. So because this is a higher current value. There we go. Let me increase the set point. Excuse me. Okay, I'll keep it 10 ampere and the 700 watt, that's all. So now we go to the, as we were speaking about, this is smart power of A. This will detect, as I told you, low power, and it will cut it off the circuit. You see, okay. Now it is on, I put it on auto, and this is power. So when I switch it off, this power, it will start counting down. Yeah, you can see the countdown is started. Okay, after exactly 1 minute, it will cut off power supply for this iron to make sure so there is no leakage power. As you can see, this timer is on. After 40, after you see that one, after this countdown, as I put it in auto, it will cut it off from the circuit. So let's wait. 16, 15, 14, 13. Okay, after this countdown, it will cut off a power supply for this one because it's going to the standby mode. Maybe see, this is the function. If there is any standby equipment at home, you can attach it with this one, and whenever you switch it off, it will cut it down automatically because it is keep detecting the current. Okay, now let's test the next function. Okay, so sorry, and I just forgot to mention that this is a low set power point. You can adjust your low set point, and this is the time you can adjust as well, as you see this one. So it's been after this power lower than this power, it will go, if it is goes this one, and it will wait for 1 minute and it will cut it off the circuit. Yeah, let's go to the next menu. So to go to the next, it's called smart power. This is A, the second is B. So this is actually function is if you are using any kind of power like as constant power. Okay, and if you forget to shut off and shut down anything, and when you're living at home, you can set this one as a power. When it is goes to beyond that power, what it's gonna do, it's gonna cut automatically to save the energy. So let me show you. Right now I put it at like a 5 watt. Okay, and for 1 hour. So if let's suppose if you turn it on, you see it is auto. So as soon as I uh, turn this one on, this iron, okay, so countdown will start. Okay, and when it will wait for 1 hour, so you can even though set adjust the time. Let's suppose here I put it 5 watt, and here I can, the minimum I can set, here is 2 hours. Okay, you can see here that's a minimum set point. Yeah, okay, now let me turn it on. You will see the counter will start. There we go, you see now it started. Because if we forget to switch it off anything at home, if you have this setting and you put this one on this mode, this meter, so it will cut off that power supply automatically and save the your energy bill. You see, after 1 hour it will cut off this one to save the energy. Now let's go and test the next mode. So this is a timing power supply. Yeah, so basically this function is if let's suppose you have any load at home which you want to only run for some specific time. So you just, what you have to do, you just need to set a timer here, okay, which is here, and it will count down the timer, and after that it will switch off that equipment. Let me show you this one. So right now I set is a 0.1 sec. Actually this is 1 minute, and this is a counter down. So as soon as I turn this one on the auto, you see the counter down is started. Okay, and let me show you this demonstration purpose. I have this lamp. Okay, so as we can see, after this countdown, it will switch off this lamp, and you can put anything, you can attach anything with this one, any kind of load, as long as it is it's not more than 25 ampere or 700 watt, because that's the capacity of this one. We'll see. So this is a counter down. If you can, I can show you this one. This is a 12, 11, 10. After this countdown, it will turn off the power supply for this circuit. Yeah, you see, so it is turned off already. Yeah, so Next, let's see, we turn it off manually. We can even turn it off manually, you know. Okay, so next, let's see what's the next mode. This is a time cycle. The time cycle is basically if there is any equipment at your home, if you want to turn it on for specific time like a 1 minute, 2 minute, and want to turn it off for some specific time like a 1 minute, 2 minute, or whatever the time, you just need to put a time here. So it will on for that time, like a 1 minute on, like a 2 minute off, whatever time you just. Let's see this one. So right now I put it one excuse me, 1 minute on and 1 minute off. Yeah, if I can show you this one. So let's see, if I put it on auto, you see the on timer is begun. Okay, and after 1 minute, because I set it 1 minute, after 1 minute it is going to turn it off and then turn it on for a minute, then turn it off. So this is a basically timing circuit. You can make any kind of automation at home, like you have some heater or geyser, so which you want to turn it on for some specific time and turn off for some specific time. So you can use this function, is very useful. So let's see, let's wait for this one. So it is right now is counting down the time. So 16 minutes right now, sorry, 16 seconds. So after that time it will turn it off, as we can see. There we go. Now the off timer is started here. You see here, as I can show you, this off timer is started right now. So after this time, it will turn it on again for 1 minute, and then 1 minute on, 1 minute off. Let me show you this one. Yeah. Excuse me. As we can see, the off delay timer is running, but you need to make sure you put it in auto. Then otherwise, this function is not going to execute. So yeah, now it is going to turn it on. Yeah, as we can see that now it is turned it on again. So now let's start and check another function. So we can push this one. So this is a counter down. This is a timing counter down mode. Actually, what's happening in this mode? If let's suppose if there is anything at your home or any kind of employees and anything kind of equipment, what you want to, let's suppose you want to go from home. Okay, let's suppose it should like you want to first set what time when you leave, when you activate this one, it will start count that time. After that time it will turn on that thing, so an equipment, and after that time there's a turn off time also, and it will turn off. So mean, as soon as you activate this mode, it will start counting down the time you have given. After that time the equipment will turn on. Okay, and because you already entered that value, that how long should we turn it on, and after and it should be off. So right now if you can see, I put it a 1 minute on, 1 minute after 1 minute. Okay, when I activate this one, after 1 minute this lamp will be on and it will start counting down 1 minute, and then it will be off. That's all. It will not repeat it, you know, like as I shown you last mode, it is on and off for 1 minute on, 1 minute off. But this is the different one. This is a one, it will turn on for 1 minute, whatever the specified time you are put inside. After that it will turn it off. That's all. Let me show you this one. So right now you can hear, by clicking this M menu, you can access this timing. I put it 1 minute on, and after that 1 minute on, Okay, it will turn off, that's all. Okay, if I can put it on auto, you see I set start counting when I set it already. After 1 minute, CD on time, I put it 1 minute. After 1 minute, this equipment, this lamp will be turned on and it will wait for the specific time. You see CD off time, if I enter like a 3, 4, 5, 1 hour, whatever the time I mentioned here, so it will count that time and it will turn off automatically, as I can show you here. So it is almost 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, this will be on and it will wait for this set value, which is 1 minute, which I set 1 minute. So after that 1 minute, whatever the time you put it here, it will switch it off, that's all. So it is going to turn it on. Yeah, you see now the cutoff timer is started. So after this time, because I set 1 minute, after 1 minute it should be off. It will cut its power supply from this lamp and it will be off and it will not turn on again. And especially good thing, while using this one, we can monitor voltage, current, and the current power, and we can monitor the EJ unit, kilowatt hour, watt hour, and plus we can measure the frequency, and we can see whatever the power factor on this one. So it will give you all the details. And if you can see here, it's the run time. It will show you the last time you started. It is almost 20 minutes since we started this one. As you can see, it is cut off. It will not turn on again. So now, let me show you the another mod. Here we go. So here, this mod, actually what you can do, you can set the cost of your electricity. You just need to gonna put a price per unit cost for here. And what happen when you turn it on, so it is gonna monitor that cost, and after that cost, so it will turn off automatically. So it's mean you have like a, let's suppose €1 cost is per unit. So when you start it, it will start counting. Yeah, after counting, it will start measuring your power that you have consumed, like kilowatt, watt hour. After watt hour, it will multiply with this price. After when it reaches this price, it will shut down the equipment. So let me show you this one, because see, to meet this cost, because put 1 unit, it is going to take a lot of time, but you can use this function as a cost reduction. So now you have seen this is a mod. And other thing, picture I want to show you with this one, it has we can connect with this cell phone, any smart cell phone, so any Android, iPhone. So I have here one smart tablet, so which we can connect with this application. So I have installed. So this is the app name called. Okay, so let me show you this one. It's e-test. You just got to go in the Play Store and just write e-test this and click this one. And now, and we go here in a Bluetooth mode. You can see what this one. Yeah. Now, as we can see, now we can check all the data on tablet. You see here, we have all the data here. Same data here, you see. Even we control from here, you see. If I can show you this one, you can control and it will give you the very good graph. You see, and it will give you the current graph, voltage graph, all the graphs it will give you. There we go. Yeah. So now, so even we can access the setup from here. You see here, we can change the voltage set point, whatever the mod is here. You see, And if you want to access the its setup, so what you have to do is you just keep pressing this M button for a long time. Here you have like English, display brightness, standby brightness, enter standby times, beeps on off. So you can set all this value from here. As you can see, we can navigate by pressing this M button. Okay, there we go. Keep pressing, that's all. So you can see, so we can monitor everything from on your tablet. So which is very very nice. You see, even you can reset the values whatever we've been doing. So guys, please let me know what do you think about this one. So I would recommend, so all the DIY, so and electrician and other guys who are interested, they must have on their test pens. So I definitely, and please be very careful. If you don't have a knowledge of electricity, don't play with this one. And I want to show you another thing. These are the another connection. So here basically one is line in, line out, neutral is the neutral. So you can, if you don't want to use this plug, you can directly here attach your power supply or your equipment here, and this is a protective case. So you just got to press in this one. There you go. That's all. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative video, and please leave a comment if you to want me to make any specific video for any specific any power tech. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you in next video.